Hi friends, hello, welcome to KSP Academy. Today we have to go and discuss a very fundamental concept. There are types of windings in the DC machines. Generally we are having a number of different kind of windings we are having. So let us start actually what is the fundamental types of winding we are having till now in that DC machines. Before that, where is the origin, the types of winding we are having. So those where the windings are started, basically the origin, from that I should explain that. So let's go for one by one. Generally the DC machines, the winding classified into only two types basically. The first one is called as Grahame winding, Grahame ring winding. First one is Grahame ring winding. Second one is called it as, I think you are very familiar. After the Grahame ring winding, you are very fundamentally heard, that's called a drum type winding. Grahame ring winding. Second one is drum type winding. What actually a Grahame ring winding? The Grahame ring winding means, let us this you can take. This is a rotor body. Stator is there. Inside the stator you have to keep a rotor body. Let us, if you want to clearly, I should draw. This is a DC machine. It's a stator. Inside the stator you have to keep your rotor body. This is what is rotor. This is a rotor. In this the rotor, how the winding should take place. In the case of a Grahame ring winding, previously we are using the Grahame ring winding. The winding should go inside and come like this, then go like this and come like this. The slots should be inside and outside. Both cases are having. Slots should be inside and slots should be outside. How the winding should be taken place, Grahame ring, let us I should say. This you feel it, it's a rotor body. Let us I should take a winding. The winding should go inside and take winding. Then you can take, again you can keep your winding should be inside. Let us take this out. This winding should come like this. So like this, the winding should be in and out going to take place. Inside, then go out, in and out. Like this, the winding should be going to keep on arrangement. It means what you are understanding here, the slots will be inside and outside. Rotor body, top and bottom, you can say. You can say you have to go, winding should be go inside. Inside the slots will be there. Inside the slots you can keep winding, then come, they take outside. This winding, again the top slots will be there. You can keep your winding like this and go like this inside and take like this. How to keep your winding in such a way. These types of winding is called as a Grahame ring winding. So if you wanted to understand very clearly this Grahame ring winding, later I should draw the how should be the things will take place in the Grahame ring winding. Those who are not clear, once you can recall here. This is what a rotor. How the winding should be takes place. The winding should be go top and bottom, like this will be there. Like this, in and out. This is a cross sectional view. Like this I am showcasing you. The winding should go like this. If you wanted to, in the front view, side view if you see here, let us just you can drawing. I am drawing for a side view for a Grahame ring winding. The winding should go like this, come like this, then come like this, inside and outside. Like this will come. All windings, in and out. These types of winding is a Grahame ring winding. Presently we are not using Grahame ring winding. So this is what actually Grahame ring winding. It's very clear. Then after this, a Grahame ring winding, a very interesting topic. That is what is a drum type winding. The drum type winding is very simple. Previously it is a rotor body. Previously having slots only top and bottom. Here only one side slots. It's only top side of the conductor. Where you want to keep, that side you can keep. So generally top side you have a slots. The top side slots only having. The winding should be only can do top side. Not inside, only outside. So if you wanted to clear, I should showcase one more diagram. If you want actually you are having like this, you are having generally your rotor body here. Let us see here. So this is what your rotor slots will be there. The winding should be like this only outside. You can connect him over here. The winding should be, let us take, this is a wire. The wire should take and come like this. Wire should take, come like this only will be there. Only outside you can do it. This types of winding is called as a drum type winding. Like this it is there. If this drum type winding is cutting into pieces, if you open like this, it should come like this. This is what a side view. If you open like this, the winding conductor should become like this. This is I drawn what is the conductor setup. So drum type winding is clear. In this drum type winding, there are two types of winding you are having according to the way of you are giving the winding connections. Very clear. Only drum type winding, top side you are having a slots. Inside no, top side only having. It's very clear. Next, in the case of a drum type winding, according to the way of you are doing the winding connection, there are two types. The well-known connections of drum type winding. The number one, the drum type winding, we can call it as lap winding. The second winding is called as wave winding. Lap winding and wave winding. There are two types of windings we are having generally in the case of a drum type winding. I think very clear. The basic fundamentally grammar ring winding and drum type winding. Next, in the next classes we have to discuss what are the lap winding, what are the wave winding. Inside lap winding, what is the progressive, retrogressive windings. In a wave winding also we have progressive winding, retrogressive winding. Those different types of inside the windings I'll discuss one by one in the next videos. Those who wanted to want, you can continue the next videos. I think very clear. Okay, thanks for watching. Keep continuing for next videos.